Good morning mga ka-travel. Day 12 ng ating travel dito sa Scandinavia. And we are now in Stockholm, Sweden. At dito tayo ngayon sa Drottningholm Palace. Ito yung map niya, kaya samahan nyo kaming mag-ikot-ikot dito at pasyalin natin ang Drottningholm Palace. Let's go! May snow kagabi. Kaya medyo madulas yung daan. This is the palace. We're going front. Mga 6 PM na nga pala kami dumating dito sa Stockholm kagabi from Jönköping. Kaya sa hotel na kami dumiretso para makapag-rest. Palace is there, but before we go to the palace, look at the lake side. Careful, madulas kasi may snow.
A jacket is not waterproof. Wow, nice! The sun! Wait.
Good morning. Snow. Ito yung Drottningholm Palace. At on top, ito yung flag ng Sweden. Drottningholm Palace entrance, but unfortunately still closed for holiday, so we just walk around. Take a photo in front of the palace. There's a guard outside. Go to the garden. Dito na tayo sa harap. Yung garden square. Diretsong-diretso ang linya ng mga puno. Ang ganda siguro nito during summer. Green na green ang area. Kapal ng snow. Natatakpan ng mga green.
I'm so tired.
This is the fountain area ng snow. Let's go inside the trees, underneath the trees. Wow. Ooh. Lake is partially frozen. May the lake. May lake doon sa bandaron. Hindi ka puntahan natin. Frozen Lake. Diba? Straight. Ito yung view ng Drottningham Palace pag nandito ka sa malayo. Zoom in natin. At after namin mag-ikot-ikot dito, pumunta na kami sa city center for lunch. Trattoria Basta. Dito tayo sa 4th floor ng Allen City Department Store. Basta Urban Italian Restaurant. Menu nila is authentic Italian Neapolitan. Then after lunch, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa city center. Stockholm City. And from there, from the Allen's restaurant top. Bicycle lane. Now we're going to the other side. This is the shopping area. Hindi tayo nag-shopping. Tumingin lang ng mga nakasale. Allen's. In front of Allen's is this St. Clara's Church. Chikan ko lang yung binili nating balsa. Dito tayo sa Stockholm sa may City Hall. Yung City Hall nila is katabi ng dagat mismo. Government building. Sa kabilang side,
Oh, Dad, Sentosa. Sentosa is here.
Sentosa boat.
Maybe the owner is from Singapore.
Ang tayo galing kanina, tayo nag-lunch sa Bandaron. Now, mag-aalas 3 pa lang, madilim na. Entering the City Hall. The City Hall na may bell tower. Square, maraming pasyalan sa harap ng City Hall. May shell sa harap. And then tabi ng dagat. And dito na tayo sa Royal Palace. Medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng parking lot. Kaya medyo madilim na. At malapit na sila mag-close kaya let's go. Puntahan natin sa loob. Let's go inside. Ooh, nice. Kung nanonood ka pa rin, don't forget to like, share, at pakipollow na rin ang ating Facebook channel. And don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube. Shibuya Crossing like in Stockholm. At pupuntahan natin ngayon yung authentic Swedish pasalubong. Hindi daw complete ang trip mo sa Stockholm pag hindi ka dumaan dito. We are the famous pups.
No, this one
Big
is
bag. Small bag.
One pala, this one.
Candy that speak with table. At from dito sa Bob Stockholm, thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow for day 30 ng ating travel adventure dito sa Scandinavia. See you tomorrow and goodbye!